Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning on how we can fix when the Windows 10 Start menu is not working. So if you're facing such problem, please do finish watching this video till the very end. And the very first thing we need to do is to restart the Microsoft or the Windows or File Explorer in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so to do that, we will be opening the Task Manager by pressing in your keyboard Control Alt Delete, and then you will get their Task Manager option here at the very bottom part. Now once you click on that, you will get this Task Manager window opening up. All you need to do is just to look for the Windows Explorer option. It could be under App section or Background Processes section. So just scroll down, look for it, and then here we have the Windows Explorer at the or below the app section. So here all we need to do is just to make a right click on that and then click on this restart button here, and then once you do that, it will be restarted. And then after doing that, just close this window, and then we will proceed with the Task Manager again. We will be creating a new task, so please go to your Windows taskbar and then go to that Task Manager option there. Once you click on that, you will get this Run New Task option. So please click on that, and then you will get this Create New Task window coming up. All you need to do is just to type shutdown /R, and this will, and then after doing that, just check or select this Create this task with administrative privileges. And once you have done that, this will restart the Windows operating system once. So just please click on enter or OK. And then after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device just by pressing the Alt F4 in your keyboard, or you can also have Alt function F4 keyboard in your keyboard. Once you have done this one, just close this windows, and then we will proceed with Task Manager. So if you see that the Windows Start menu is still not working, then we can also have the next or the third process, which is to go again to the Task Manager, and then we will be opening the PowerShell. So please make a right click here in the taskbar again, go to Task Manager option again, and then this time we will be going now to this Run New Task option again. So here we need to type PowerShell. And then after typing it, just please don't forget to check or select this Create this task with administrative privileges. Once done typing this one, just please click on OK. And then we will be opening now this Windows PowerShell window. So all we need to do is just to, So all we need to do is just to type here the command that I will be providing in the description box below. So let me just open it. So this is the command that we have typed earlier. And then this time we will now have the system file checker, which is this one. So just copy it and then paste it in here. And then after pasting it, just please make a click on the enter button. And then once you have done that, just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we will be proceeding with the reinstalling and registering the Windows. So to do that, go again to your Task Manager, and then this time we will be opening again a Run New Task or a new task, and then type again PowerShell. Click or check again this Create this task with administrative privileges, click on OK, and then we will be opening again the Windows PowerShell. Here we need to paste again the command that you will see. This is the command to register the Windows app. So please copy it again. Copy from the description box again, and then paste it in here. And then click on enter, and it will reinstall and register the Windows. So once you're done doing this one, just make a quick restart again with your device. See if the problem is now fixed. See if the Windows icon or the Start menu is now working. And if it's still not working, then we will proceed with the Task Manager. So go again to your Task Manager. Here we need to open again it's to reset now the Windows system. So we are now done with going to the Task Manager. So the next thing we need to do is to reset now the Windows system by upgrading the Windows system. So to do that, just visit the link that I will provide in the description box below. So you will just see that below or after the commands that we have entered in the PowerShell window. So you can just simply go and make a click on that, visit the link, and then follow the steps that will be provided after, and then see if it helps fixing the problem. And if it did, then please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.